Welcome, here I've got iPad Pro 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the settings button to open it. Now let's move to the left side and slide down to pick the privacy. Here at the first place we have location services, so let's tap on it and now we can see the list of the apps that may have access to our location. One of this is the camera, so let's tap on it. Here we can decide to allow location access to our camera. We can pick between never, ask next time, or while using the app. So let's stay on this one. Now the camera location tags are turned on. We have also one extra setting, the precise location, so we can decide here to use our specific location or just general. By using button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let's use the specific location, so let's keep this turned on. Let's get out from the settings and move to the camera to take the picture. To see it, let's move to this button from the right that follows us straight to the gallery. And now I want to show you how to check the location of our picture. We have to just simply slide down. Here we get access to the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.